Hello everyone and welcome to Reports Part 6. In this video, you will learn how to use the group function in the report builder. Back to Joe. Joe is creating a new report to look at resource record items for resources located in Antarctica. With the group function, Joe can take a lot of information, like resource record items and their properties, and group it under created categories. This creates an organized report that is easy for Joe or anyone else to understand. All right, here we are in the MINT Web Assistant. We're going to head over to Reports and create a new report. So the first thing we're going to do is set up a query. The object of our query is the resource record item, and we want to see the resource name. We want to see which record item, and we also want to see the issue date of the resource record item. So we don't want to query the whole database, so we're going to set a condition. We're only going to look at the resources where the location equals Antarctica. And we'll head over to Design. I'm not going to set a title for this one, so we'll just move that out of the way. We're going to set some headings for the columns. So first we're going to do the name, the record item, and the issue date. All right, the next step is to create a group. Now you do this down in Outline, you'll right-click on the group folder and create a group. So the expression for the group, which is what we're going to organize this group by, is the name. So we're organizing by resource name. We're going to drag that over into the group headings, and then it will organize all the information in the details. So everything that you now put in the details will be organized by the expression in group heading 1. Which, as we just selected, is resources. So now we're going to head over back up to fields, and we're going to put record item in the details section and the issue date. This will print out the issues and the record items. So let's see how that looks. So here we are. We have our resource, we have some headings, and we have the record items and their issue dates. Got all of those. Now, as you'll see, some of these can be cut off. And maybe you want some space between them. So we're going to go back to Design, and we're going to select the group, and then we're going to start a new page for each resource. Now, Barbara Johnson gets her own page. Fletcher Gordon gets his own page. And it's a lot more organized and easy to read through if you're just looking at the resource record items for each specific resource. We're going to press OK to save our report. This has been Reports Part 6. Thanks for watching.